Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Nest Cam security camera, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, unbox your Google Nest Cam and locate all the components. You should see the camera, a charging cable, a power adapter, a quick start guide, and mounting hardware. Next, choose a suitable location for your camera. Look for an area with a clear view of the surroundings and within reach of a power outlet. If you're using the outdoor model, ensure the spot is sheltered from direct weather exposure. Now, plug the camera into a power outlet using the charging cable and power adapter. Wait for the camera's LED indicator to light up, signaling that it's powered on. Next, download the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in with your Google account or create a new one if needed. Tap the plus icon on the top left corner to add a new device. Select Setup Device and then choose New Device. Choose your home from the list or create a new home if prompted. The app will search for nearby devices. Wait until your camera appears on the screen. Once found, tap on your camera to start the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan the QR code on your camera. The app will guide you to connect your camera to your Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password when prompted. Once connected, configure your camera settings as per your preferences. You can adjust features like sensitivity, zones, and notifications. After setting up, position your camera in the desired location. If you're mounting it, use the provided hardware to secure it to the wall or surface. Ensure your camera has a clear view by testing it with the live view option in the app. Finally, review all settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. Your Google Nest Cam is now ready to monitor your space. Check the app regularly for live feeds, alerts, and recorded footage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.